Has your mixer grinder stopped while grinding? There might be power supply issue or mixer grinder issue. Follow these simple steps to fix it yourself. Firstly, check if there is a loose connection between the plug and the socket. If the socket is not working, try putting the plug into another socket. Still not working? Follow the further steps. To reset, first turn off the switch and take off the jar. Find the overload protection button below the mixer grinder and press it for 3-4 times, and then keep the product in correct position. Keep the product in its place and turn on the switch to check if the mixer grinder is working. Kindly ensure proper safety. Set the knob to 0 and then place the jar and lock properly. Fill the jar with lesser quantity and turn no to 1. If the problem still persists after these steps, please reach out to customer support. For further assistance, troubleshooting tips, or to book a service appointment, always prioritize safety when handling electrical appliances. If you're unsure about any step, please consult a professional.